Turbo diesel engines are beasts, powerful, durable, and built to last if you treat them right. But make a few simple mistakes and your engine can go from road-ready to ruined, fast. In this video, we're breaking down the most common mistakes that destroy turbo diesel engines quickly, so you can avoid costly repairs and keep your ride running strong. Let's dive in before it's too late. Mistake 10. Neglecting oil changes. Dirty oil is one of the fastest ways to destroy both your engine and your turbo. Neglecting oil changes in diesel engines can lead to even more serious problems than in gasoline engines. Diesel engines produce more soot and contaminants, which cause the oil to become dirty much faster. When the oil breaks down, it can no longer protect engine parts from friction and heat. This leads to increased wear on components like turbochargers, pistons, and bearings. Old oil can also thicken and create sludge, reducing engine efficiency. Regular oil changes help maintain proper lubrication and cooling, keeping the engine running smoothly. Skipping them can result in costly repairs and shorten the lifespan of your diesel vehicle. Mistake 9. Not letting the turbo warm up. If you fire up your diesel on a freezing morning, you're shaving years off your turbo's life. Not letting the turbo warm up in a diesel engine can cause serious long-term damage. Turbochargers spin at extremely high speeds, and they rely on proper oil flow for lubrication and cooling. When the engine is cold, the oil is thicker and doesn't reach the turbo quickly enough. Driving hard before the oil warms up can cause unnecessary friction and wear on the turbo's bearings. This reduces efficiency and may lead to premature turbo failure. Allowing the engine to run gently for a short time ensures the oil circulates properly. Taking this simple step helps protect the turbo and keeps your diesel engine performing reliably. Mistake 8. Shutting down too quickly after driving hard. If you've been towing, hard accelerating, or coming off a long highway run, and you immediately turn off the engine, you're literally cooking your turbo. Shutting down your engine too quickly after driving hard can cause significant damage, especially in turbocharged vehicles. When you stop suddenly, the turbo is still extremely hot and spinning at high speeds. Without proper cool-down time, the oil inside the turbo can overheat and form deposits, known as coking. These deposits reduce lubrication and can lead to premature turbo failure. Allowing the engine to idle for a minute helps the turbo slow down and cool safely. This simple habit protects vital components and maintains your vehicle's performance. Taking a short cool down can save you from costly repairs in the long run. Mistake 7. Using low-quality fuel or ignoring fuel filters. Using low-quality fuel or ignoring fuel filters can severely impact your engine's performance and longevity. Poor quality fuel often contains impurities that can clog injectors and reduce combustion efficiency. Over time, this leads to rough idling, loss of power, and increased emissions. Ignoring fuel filters allows dirt and debris to enter the fuel system, causing further damage to injectors and pumps. Diesel engines are especially sensitive to fuel cleanliness, making proper filtration essential. Regular filter changes and choosing reputable fuel sources help maintain smooth operation. Paying attention to fuel quality protects your engine and prevents costly repairs. Mistake 6. Running on low fuel. Running on low fuel in a diesel engine can lead to serious mechanical issues over time. Diesel fuel acts as both a lubricant and a coolant for the fuel pump, and running low reduces its ability to protect these components. When the tank is nearly empty, the pump may suck in air and sediment from the bottom, which can clog fuel filters and damage injectors. This can cause rough running, hard starting, or even engine stalling. Low fuel levels also increase the risk of overheating the fuel pump. Keeping the tank at least a quarter full helps maintain proper lubrication and fuel flow. It's a simple habit that protects your diesel engine and ensures reliable performance. Mistake 5. Using wrong type of oil. Using the wrong type of oil in a diesel engine can lead to serious performance and durability issues. Diesel engines require oil with specific additives that handle higher compression, soot levels, and combustion byproducts. Using gasoline engine oil can cause poor lubrication and faster wear on critical components. It may also lead to sludge buildup, clogged filters, and reduced engine efficiency. Incorrect oil can affect turbocharger performance as well, since turbos depend on high-quality lubrication. Over time, this mistake can shorten the engine's lifespan and increase repair costs. Always choose the manufacturer-recommended oil to ensure proper protection and smooth operation of your diesel engine. Mistake 4. Using dirty or cheap oil and air filter. Using dirty or cheap oil and air filters can seriously harm your engine's performance and longevity. Dirty oil loses its ability to lubricate engine parts properly, leading to increased friction and wear. Cheap or clogged air filters reduce airflow, causing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel. Over time, this combination can cause overheating, reduced efficiency, and potential engine damage. Proper oil and clean air filters ensure smooth combustion and protect vital engine components. Investing in quality filters and regular oil changes is a small cost compared to major repairs. Maintaining clean oil and air filters keeps your engine running efficiently and reliably. Mistake 3. Overloading or overspeeding the engine. Diesels are strong but not invincible. Overloading or overspeeding a diesel engine can cause serious damage and reduce its lifespan. Carrying more weight than the engine is designed for increases stress on the pistons, crankshaft, and transmission. Overspeeding pushes the engine beyond its safe RPM range, leading to overheating and excessive wear. Both habits can reduce fuel efficiency and increase the risk of engine failure. Turbochargers and other components are also stressed, which may result in costly repairs. Driving within the engine's limits ensures smooth performance and reliability. Proper load management and speed control protect your diesel engine and extend its life. Mistake 2. Not using winter fuel additives. Not using winter fuel additives in cold climates can create serious problems for your engine. Diesel and gasoline can gel or thicken in low temperatures, making it difficult for the engine to start. Without additives, fuel lines and filters may clog, leading to poor engine performance or even stalling. Cold fuel can also strain the fuel pump and injectors, causing unnecessary wear. Winter fuel additives help prevent gelling, improve flow, and protect the fuel system. They ensure smoother starts and reliable operation during freezing conditions. Using the right additives is a simple way to protect your engine and maintain efficiency in winter. So there you have it, the top mistakes that destroy turbo diesel engines fast. If you avoid these, your engine will thank you with years of reliable performance. Which mistake have you seen people make the most? Drop a comment letting me know. See you in the next video.